Hello and welcome to day 69 of the house renovation, where today we're going to finish the inside of the house. It's got a couple of pieces of quarter round or shoe molding left to put down in this room. One piece to put there, one piece to put there, hang that door back up on that track, and 3 thresholds to put down. And this is the last light cover. I was gonna show you a little hack on this shit, right? So you don't have a screwdriver. You got a big old fucking thumbnail. Look at that shit. Fucking thumbnail, you got your goddamn built-in fucking screwdriver on this motherfucker. You know, you don't need no damn screwdriver. You can even fucking break that bitch and tighten that motherfucker down good like that, right? Make sure that both of your screws are in line with each other, like that. So you're gonna do it like that, or you're gonna fucking turn them like that. As long as they both have some symmetrical qualities, both of them look the same. You know, me personally, I like a motherfucker to go upright like that. Right? But that's fucking what I call that is built-in fucking thumbnail screwdriver. Look at that motherfucker. Ain't gonna focus on that bitch, but you know, if that shit don't fucking work, I got a fucking built-in fucking toenail driver. That's for shit that's close down on the ground. Anyway, today is Friday. I'm gonna stop bullshitting around and talking shit and get in here and fucking knock this last little bit of shit out, because I still gotta wash the roofs on the outside. See that fucking string hanging down out of the fucking attic door right there? Don't nobody like that ugly shit. So I'm gonna fucking show you an improved way to fucking deal with that. And we're gonna clean this fucking filter and shit right there. So the improved way to deal with that would be this. You're gonna fucking put this fucking hook, this loop hook, this little fucking loop right there, up in there where the string is. And then I'm gonna fucking screw this into the end of a fucking piece of wood, so that you can fucking reach up, and I'm gonna keep that in the closet. You can reach up and pull that motherfucker down, and then you don't have to look at that, look at all the ugly shit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna get back with you and show you what the fucking result of that is and how it looks. So what you got here is an oak dowel I had laying around and a hook. And then I put that little ring on that motherfucker right there, right? So that basically all you do is fucking reach up, grab that motherfucker like that. Look, see? And pull it down. Pull it up. Get done with it. Stick it in your closet. Shut the door. So now you don't have that fucking ugly string up there no more. You see? I'm gonna go ahead now and get me a ladder and come in here and clean that vent out and fucking change the vent up there, change the filter and shit. And Tommy's making the fucking thresholds. We were gonna make them, and then I said, fuck it. We just put the shit in, get this shit and put it in there. I'm pretty sure they're gonna work, man. And they're not toe stubbers and shit, you know what I'm saying? It would have been hard for us to make that. It would have been so bad with a table saw and fucking had the pieces on it like it's supposed to be. But with that deck on it like that, yeah. So that's basically what we got for this. Making thresholds. Inside's done. And it's fucking just ready to be cleaned. There's always some kind of crazy looking motherfucking bugs and shit at this bitch. Look at this motherfucker. Just fucking sitting there chilling. The fuck? Always something crawling around this motherfucker. Anyway. We got the fucking inside of the fucking shed fucking to do. Clean that shit up. Clean the driveway up. Get all this fucking concrete. I'm getting ready to dig that shit up now. And then we'll be done with all this shit. We'll come back over here next week and get our tools. The roof is being cleaned. I got like 2 little spots of paint I could almost do with my damn finger. I'm gonna cut all these fucking wires and this raggedy shit off the side over here and rake this up and hit the trail because it's Friday. And the day 69 and everything is finished. The whole inside of the house is done. The only thing that's left to do now is just to clean the glass windows and replace a couple of windows. But as far as the inside, Monday it's getting its final clean. So I'm just gonna walk around and take a little look at what we got. Pantry, storage, tile. All the floors are redone. They're gonna get cleaned on Monday. We're gonna clean it on Monday. We're doing all the windows, kitchen, chandelier, kitchen. Living room. Master bedroom. Everything out here is all cleaned up. The roof is washed. The bedrooms are done. A little hall foyer area, thresholds, all the shimons down, floors are finished, closets are done. Bathroom. As you can see, it definitely needs to be cleaned. So Monday, when we come over and clean the windows, we'll be making video number 70 on the house renovation. And at that point, video number 70 will show the end result product of the cleaned house is ready to be sold on the real estate market. There we go. Here we go. Now you can fucking kind of see every fucking thing. Stand back here and get a little view of it all. So it's more of a wide view angle for you so you can kind of see it all at one time. All right, it's Friday. I'm not trying to be hanging out here no more. So if you like the video, subscribe to Get Go TV and hit the like button. Hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload another video. And if you're just joining us on this renovation at day 69, There's 68 more videos before it, from start to now. And it was rough in the beginning. So, I mean, all these doors replaced, open that wall up, the floor plan, you know. So, if you got any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Or you can also leave a question at peninsulaimp@gmail.com. That's in the channel description. And I'll always answer all my comments or any questions, and I even respond to them if they're not questions. So, comments are welcome. So y'all have a good day, and don't get too fucked up this weekend. It's time for me to fucking pay the guy that works for me. Get me a nice big old double deuce, a cold fucking beer, and fucking lay back in my new Broy Hill couch and say fuck everything for the weekend. So y'all have a good day, and I'll see you on Monday for our final video of day 70 when we're cleaning the windows.